Welcome to EVS class student. I am your EVS teacher Shweta. I hope all of you are staying at home and not going outside and enjoying your online classes. Today again we revise the lesson Fun with Family. See here children, she is Nitika and he is her brother Ravi. They study in same school. After doing their homework, they feel tired. You also feel tired when you are continuously doing your homework? Yes, na? Then what do you do then? Yes, you want to play. You need some fun, isn't it? You want to play outside, you want to watch TV, and you play games on mobiles. All these activities make us happy. So we have fun when we do things we enjoy. This is called recreation. See here in the picture children. Children are playing football, cricket, enjoying music, visiting park. All these activities are recreation activities. The activity which makes us happy, that activity we call recreation. Then why recreation is important? It helps us to relax our body and we feel happy while doing things we like. Understood children why recreation is important? Why it is important? Because it helps us to relax our body and we feel happy while doing things we like. Now we see different recreational activities. Evening we go to children's park and play cricket. See here in the picture Nitika and her brother Ravi playing with their parents. Sometimes Nitika rides her bicycle and learns to dance. She goes for skipping and Ravi likes to swim. Who likes to swim? Ravi likes to swim. Lockdown period we are not going outside, and also when it is very hot we stay inside our home. At that time Ravi plays tabla while Nitika practices new dance step, and they like to watch cartoon movies on the television. See in the picture children, Nitika and her brother Ravi watching television. Sometimes we play indoor games also. Which are the indoor games? Yes, snake and ladders, ludo, carom. So many are there. On holidays or Sunday, we go for picnic. We play in open and have a lot of fun there. We also go to the zoo. In Nagpur, where is the zoo? Do you know? Yes, Maharaj Bagh. Have you seen it? Go and visit there. But don't tease the animals in the zoo. We should not tease the animals. Have you visited circus? Sometimes our parents take us to the circus. We enjoy watching animals and circus acrobats doing exciting stunts. See here children, circus acrobats doing exciting stunts here. and clown make us laugh. We also enjoy going to Mela. Now at the time of Ganesh Utsav, Mela is organized at so many places. At Melas, different swings are there. Giant wheel, merry-go-round, so many are there. We have lot of fun on swings. Sometimes we go to museum. We see number of old and wonderful things in the museum. See here, children. We also enjoy watching puppet show. We like meeting our relatives at birthday parties and wedding. We wear new dresses. We eat lots of tasty food there. Everyone feels very happy. We enjoy with our family members at such functions. At night, our elders, especially grandma, tells us interesting bedtime stories. We enjoy listening to them. We also like reading storybooks. Activities are recreation activities which makes us happy. We enjoy it. Means recreation keeps us fresh and active. Read the lesson carefully, children, and understand it. And take care yourself and your family. Bye bye.